What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at where the spare tire, the jack, and the lug nut wrench you'll need to change a flat tire are located in a 2022 Subaru Outback. So like I said, it's a 22 Outback in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So I'm at the rear of the vehicle. As you can see, I've already got the back hatch open. So what we're going to do is pick up on this liner, and then we're going to grab that handle like this and pull that lid up. And after you get that up, you'll see there's this hook in this holder. What I'm going to do is hook that onto there like that, and that's going to keep that lid up out of our way. Now taking a look, we see our jack right here. We see the handle for the jack right here. And then there's the lug nut wrench right here. And some other items that are in here, you won't need these to change your tire, but this is a towing hook that screws in and you can tow. And then this is what looks to be an Allen wrench there. So these items are all just sitting down in the styrofoam tray. This tray will pick up out of there. And then underneath, we see our actual spare tire right there. And this is just held on by this wing nut. I already loosened this up. So after you screw that all the way out, this will pick up out of there like that. And then the spare tire is loose. It'll just pick up out of there. So you have your spare tire, your jack, handle for the jack, and your lug nut wrench right there. That should be everything you need in order to change your flat tire. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.